scene, so it could be that the officer was trying to find who that female was that was possibly with the male suspect who was shot, and again, in critical condition. So we'll continue to follow this throughout the morning, bring you updates. Guys, back to you.
Yeah, still a lot of stuff to figure out. We'll let you get back to work in the story, Dave. Thank you very much. Meantime, we have some more breaking news on our roads this morning.
Yeah, let's head on over to Chris Brown now to get the very latest. Chris?
All right, good morning again. It's been a busy morning accidents-wise, and of course you're looking at a live fast-cam shot of US 95 in Valley View. You can see those right lanes blocked. There are a couple of lanes. This is an injury crash. We reports that involving a pedestrian. So we do have a crew on the way, and